In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. You did hear off and on, you would have heard several times in your life that people have lost their money. They deposited their money to someone else. And then why did they deposit it? Because they thought that because they were told that they are going to be given a very good return, a very good profit in return for their work, or in return for their investment, for their financial investment. This is what they are told, and people do put their money in it. People do start working upon it, and then after some of the time they come to know whatever they have heard, whatever they were told was absolutely wrong, and they have lost their money. They come to know that they have lost their money. This is how people have lost their money at several places, and there are people who were looted and cheated repeatedly. There were people who were looted and cheated repeatedly, and this is not only in the shape of the finances. This is not only for a big financial reward. Rather, there are several other things as well. Rather, it is there are several other ways to loot and to cheat the people, and to swindle the money of the people. These people are actually credulous. These people are actually gullible. These people are naive actually, and they do have a greed in their mind and heart whenever they are offered something in return for the little investment, whenever they are offered something attractive in return for the little work. They opt for it, they go for it, and they find themselves in a hurry to do that. They forget they forget that it is not feasible. Why the solid company, why the government of Pakistan, and why the scheduled banks are not offering such a good return, and why the companies of so small credibility or no credibility, and why the individuals who are showing their business and their investments, etc., why are they offering something like this one? Why are they offering something like this one? This is a dilemma which must be understood. And there are people are greedy. Generally speaking, human beings are greedy, but some of the people, they are apart from the greed, they don't have a logical, and they don't have a rational thinking. They don't suspect, and they are told not to share this information. They are told by the swindlers that do not share this information with the other people. And because I can't afford to take the money from so many of the people, and because you are such a good nice person, that is why I am offering you a package like this one. I am offering you a scheme like this one. I think this is absolute this is an absolute fraud, and this is an absolute cheating, and no need to be greedy. And every time you are offered something attractive in return for something which is small, in the shape of the financial investment and in the shape of the work, then you must suspect that this person is trying to cheat you, because this person is not fair enough, this person is not honest enough. And if at all you do ask question, if at all you do ask cross questions, if you do ask several questions, if you do prepare a list of questions and then put it forward in front of a person like who is asking you for your money, or for something or something other which is very attractive, then the person will not be able to answer. First of all, he she will avoid first of all he she will reject, and will start saying that you are suspecting him or her, and there is no need to ask the questions like this one. And if at all he she do answer one or two questions, but these questions will be quite the answers will be quite illogical and irrational. So think logically and think rationally. Do not trust the people blindly. Rather, ask the cross questions. Rather, try to grill the person who is offering you something. Either totally ignore it, which is the attitude of the rational people, which is the attitude of the logical people, which is the attitude of the wise people. But if at all, even for the sake of fun, or if at all you are ready, you are willing to talk to him or her, then do ask several questions, do ask several, prepare a list of the questions, and do grill him or her. Do ask, do never, never let them, never ever trust them. Because if at all you do become a greedy human being and you do start trusting these people, what are they going to do for you? What are they going to do with you? Obviously they are going to loot and cheat you. Never be a credulous person. Never be a gullible person. Never be a naive person. Becoming a naive person, I think it is quite humiliating, and this thing is going to shatter your confidence. And this attitude of yours and trusting the people, I think this thing is going to give you a big harm, which must be avoided, which must not occur to you, which must not occur to anyone else. The primary reason behind it is that of the greed. I think greed is one of the worst thing. I think greed, it is okay if at all you do know that you are going to get a reasonable profit, and not a too high profit. And if somebody is offering you a big salary or a big reward against your small work, here too I think there is no need to trust those people, and no need to trust those people. And there is every reason to suspect. Never be a credulous person, never be a gullible person, never be a naive person. And do suspect. Ask cross questions, and then ponder upon the answers they are giving. And if at all they are avoiding the answers, this actually means that they are really a bad people, and they are really trying to loot and to cheat you and to swindle your money, or to somehow they are not the fair and they are not the honest people. Thank you.